In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fit design to screen in Canva. If your canvas ever feels too zoomed in or too far out, this will quickly center your entire design in view so you can see everything at once. It's a simple fix that saves time, reduces scrolling, and helps you work more precisely. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Canva. In the results, choose the official Canva website. If you're ever unsure, look for the familiar branding and make sure the address is correct before you click through. Once you're on the home page, sign into your account. If you already stay signed in on your device, you'll be taken straight to your dashboard. Otherwise, enter your usual login details and continue. From your dashboard, open the design you want to work on so it loads in the Canva editor. Give it a second to render fully, especially if the design has lots of images or pages. Once your project is open, you're ready to fit it neatly to your screen. The fastest method is to use a keyboard shortcut. Click once inside the editor area to make sure Canva is in focus, then press Ctrl+0 on your keyboard. On a Mac, use Command+0. This instantly adjusts the zoom so the entire design fits within your workspace. If nothing seems to change, check that your browser zoom is at 100% and try the shortcut again. Remember, this only affects how you view the design on your screen. It doesn't change your project's actual size or export settings. If you prefer using on-screen controls, look to the bottom right corner of the Canva editor. You'll see a number showing the current zoom percentage. Click that percentage to open the zoom menu. From the list, choose Fit. Canva will automatically set the zoom so your whole design is visible without needing to pan around. This is especially helpful after moving elements or zooming in to make detailed edits. Anytime your view drifts, just select Fit again to recenter everything. That's all there is to it. Open your design, then either press Ctrl or Command+0 or use the zoom percentage menu and pick Fit. Both options give you a clean, full view of your canvas so you can design with confidence. If you switch pages or make big changes, use Fit again to stay oriented and keep your workflow smooth.